Get ready to shed that skin and get ready for battle. Tonight we're gonna draw Spyroach, second form, otherwise known as Cockroach Terminator. You probably already know this. This guy got his first appearance on Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. A known fact, cockroaches have been known to shed their skin when they get bigger. And this is the result. Here's his arm. This guy looks a lot like a ghost. Alexa, next song.
Want to add style and innovation to your home? Start by adding beautiful Moen faucets to your kitchen. With breakthrough innovations like motion sense, Moen faucets allow you to control water without a touch. Unlock a new way to experience water. Water designs our life. Who designs for water? Moen.
$50 gets your teen a pair of cool headphones, or the chance to own stock in a record label. Open a Fidelity Youth account, and we'll drop in $50 for your teen to spend, save, or invest. Plus, they get their own debit card. Limited time offer. Terms apply. Fidelity Brokerage Services, LLC. Member NYSE SIPC. To learn more about Fidelity Youth accounts, say Alexa, send more info.
I'm unbeatable. Walking down the sandless highway, nothing but my friends beside me. We'll never give in, we'll never rest. Advanced battle is the ultimate test. From the earth, the land, the sea and sky, they can never win, but they sure can try. I'm unbeatable, Pokemon. I'm undefeatable. For the stars in the ancient past, they come to play, but they'll never last.
There. Now we draw his wings. My favorite part. They're circuit board shaped. Spyroach is basically one of my favorite characters from the Ninja Turtles series, and one of my favorite fighters. I even have one of the figures. I'll show you real soon. Same goes for the other mutants. There we go. That's all for now. That's how you draw Spyroach. That is so interesting. Alexa, what is a cockroach?
Okay, here's animal sounds.
Alexa, stop.
So, goodbye.
Alexa, what is a cockroach?
According to Wikipedia, cockroaches are insects of the order
Listeners, let me
Protodia,
confide.
which
Here's a
also
word you can
includes
use when your tongue
termites.
gets tied. Don't be
About
naughty, be
30
nice. Take
cockroach
the two device.
species out
This
of
word is sugar and spice. It will
4,600 are
always suffice.
associated with
It's the
human
number one word in the
habitats.
deep sea,
Some
thesaurus.
species
Everybody
are
scream
well
it
known
and
as
join the
pests.
chorus. Now get
The
ready for
cockroaches are
SpongeBob
Okay.
in the high
group,
seas
with
with
ancestors
Barnacle.
That's-
originating during the Carboniferous period, some 300 to
Well, it's time to give
350
away 2
million
tickets
years
to the
ago.
big SpongeBob and the High Seas concert.
I'm proud you got to see me draw this guy.
This is really going to be terrific.
That's all for
So
now.
let's
Please
go
like,
with
and block,
caller
and
number
subscribe.
5.
And I dedicate this one to all the cockroaches out there. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.